Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Greekkid82 back for the third and final box of the night, which is a new box, 2011 Panini, totally certified. This will be the first pack of these I've busted, so looking forward to it. I'm sure you guys are too. Good luck very much. Thank you, or good luck, and thank you very much for getting in the break. I appreciate it. Like I said, a lot of you guys have been in all the breaks tonight, so I really appreciate that. And of course, if you aren't familiar already, for the month of March here, been keeping tally of everybody's winning auctions. And at the end of the month, there will be a free box break. The top 16 purchasers will have 2 bids into the free break, which we'll do at random. So for the next box that's certified, that'll go off midweek here. I'll have the final numbers on where we're at, and of course that'll be happening every month. So guys, always tune in for that. Get in the breaks, and we'll finish off every month with a free one. So here we go. Without further ado, sorry to talk your ear off. Totally certified break for 9:30. Randall Pink with the Bengals and the Buccaneers. Colby with the Browns. 09 Indy with the Colts. Walk off with the Chargers and Falcons. Perrin with the Jets and Chiefs. B&V with the Bills, Cardinals, and Raiders. Spanky with the Panthers and Rams. X Morris with the Ravens and Redskins. FWT with the Bears, Packers, Patriots, Saints. KB Hager with the Giants and Steelers. Kobe with the Eagles, Seahawks, and Texans. Roy SEDM with the Vikings. Short with the Lions. Austin's with the Jaguars and Dolphins. PD Yantis with the Broncos. Chris Gard with the Cowboys, and Jeranes with the 49ers. And we'll go ahead and get started. Again, good luck guys, and let's hope for a continued good night. We had the Ryan Mallett patch on card auto come out of the limited, and we had an AJ Green on card come out of the contenders. So it's been a decent night so far. Now let's see what this box brings. Here's a checklist. There's 6 packs. Empty box. And here we go. Good luck again, guys. Let's see what we got here. Here's a Greg Olson for the Panthers. These are nice looking cards. That's just a base card there. Ryan Matthews, San Diego Chargers. Base card as well. Alrighty. There is a Len Dawson for the Chiefs. That's a jersey swatch there. It's called a Heritage Collection. And it's numbered to 249. 113 of 249. So that goes to the Chiefs, which is Perrin. So thank you for getting in the break, and congrats on the card. There's a Darius Hayward Bay for the Raiders, and a Wes Welker for the Patriots. There's a Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Bills. Tony Romo for the Cowboys. And there's a nice Packers card. That's got Bart Starr. Up on the top left below him is Henry Jordan. Then back up top here on the second column is Forrest Gregg, and then Paul Hornig. Those are jersey swatches there. And that's a nice card. That's 41 of 150. So that goes to the Packers. Who had the Packers? FWT. Thanks for getting in the break. That's a nice card. Real nice card. Followed up by an Aaron Rodgers base card. And finally, a Ray Lewis base. There's a Roddy White, Falcons, base card. Jamal Charles, Chiefs base. There's a Jordan Todman, certified future material card. And that's numbered 82 of 499. 82 of 499. So that goes to the Chargers, which is walk-off. So congrats on the card. That's a nice one too. Josh Freeman with the Buccaneers, base card, and Dallas Clark with the Colts, base card as well. So haven't seen our autos yet. 3 material cards. And there is a Beanie Wells for the Cardinals, base. LaShawn McCoy, base for the Eagles. And there's an on-card rookie auto for Randall Cobb. So that goes to FWT, another nice Packers card. University of Kentucky guy, 46 of 99. So congrats on that. And a Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. Brandon Marshall, Dolphins. Mike Wallace, Steelers. There's an Alden Smith, Rookies and Stars card. This is Rookie of the Week, 2011 Week 5 winner. So that's a different card. That's not numbered, but definitely a strange card to see come out. So. Alright, then we've got a redemption card. That's Freshman Phenoms Signatures Blue. Card number 191. So let's see what that is. Freshman Phenoms Blue Signatures. Card number 191. And that is, come on. There we go, Jaquan Williams. And I'm not even familiar with that name, so I'll have to figure out where that card's headed for the winner, who might already know who you are. Congrats, but I'll have to look that one up for myself. And a Javid Best for the Lions, Peyton Hillis for the Brownies. Last pack. Keep our fingers crossed. There's a Jay Cutler, Chicago Bears, Arian Foster, for the Texans. There's a piece of the game card, Eddie Royal for the Broncos. That'll go to PD Yantis. So congrats on the card there. And that's numbered 152 of 199. Michael Turner, Falcons, base, and Dwayne Bowe, base for the Chiefs. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in and getting in the breaks. Really appreciate it. Keep in mind the free breaks. We should have another box. We're going to post another box of these certified to break early in the week, so just keep your eye out. I usually send emails out to everybody letting them know when we've got the next box up for auction. So appreciate it again, guys. Have a great night. Thanks.